This is what 5 million pesos can buy you in Las Piñas, Philippines. Let's take a look. There is a one-bedroom bare unit at Sonora Garden Residences by DMCI Homes, a premium residential development in the south of Metro Manila. Even as a bare unit, you have a modern kitchen space, ready for your own design, a cozy living and dining area, a stylish bathroom, a comfortable bedroom, and your very own balcony. This unit is around 28 square meters, perfect for your young professionals, first-time buyers, investors, or couples starting out. Located along Alabang Zapote Road, just a few steps from Robinsons Las Piñas, SM South Mall, Festival Mall, schools, hospitals, and Alabang business hubs. With only 22 to 26 units per floor, you can enjoy a private, premium living environment. And the best part, you can own this for only as low as 14,000 per month. Contact the details below for more information.